Hello, this is Praveen Kumar. My branch is mechanical engineering. My topic is conditional probability and law of total probability. First, we have to know the random variable. A random variable x takes on defined set of values with different probabilities. For example, if you roll a die, the outcome is random, not fixed, and there are 6 possible outcomes, each of which occur with probability 1/6. Roughly, probability is how frequently we expect different outcomes to occur if we repeat the experiment over and over frequentist view. Random variables can be discrete or continuous. Discrete random variables have a countable number of outcomes. Examples: dead, alive, treatment, placebo, dice, counts, etc. Continuous random variables have an infinite continuous of possible values. Examples: random blood pressure, weight, the speed of a car, the real numbers from 1 to 6. Probability functions. A probability function maps the possible values of x against their respective probabilities of occurrence p of x. P of x is a number from 0 to 1.0. The area under probability function is always 1. Discrete example: a roll of a die, what's the probability that you have rolled 3 or less? X is greater than 3 equal to 1 by 2. What is the probability you roll a 5 or higher? P of x is greater than 5 equal to 1 minus P of x is greater than 4, and 1 minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. Problem: you are lecturing to a group of 100 students. So this is the example that you are lecturing to a group of 1000 students. You ask them to each randomly pick an integer between 1 and assuming their picks truly random. What's your best guess for how many students picked the number 9? Since P of x is equal to 9 equal to 1 by 10, we had expect about 1 by 10th of the 1000 students to pick 9. 100 students, what the percentage of students would you expect picked a number less than or equal to 6? Since P of x is greater than or equal to 6, equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10, 1 by 10 equal to 6%. Important discrete continuous. Binomial S are no outcomes: dead, alive, treated, untreated, smoker, non-smoker, sick, well, etc. Poison. Counts. Example: how many cases of disease in a given area? Continuous distributions. The probability functions that accompanies a continuous random variable is a continuous mathematical function that integrates to 1. The probabilities associated with continuous function are just areas under the curve integrals. Probabilities are given for a range of values rather than a particular value. Example: the probability of getting a math SAT score between 700 and 800 is 2%. This is the diagram. This is the graph continuous case probability density function PDF. The probability that x is any exact particular value such as 0.9976 is 0. We can only assign probabilities to possible ranges of x. Cumulative distribution function. As in the discrete case, we can specify the cumulative distribution function CDF. P of x is greater than or equal to 2 equal to 1 minus e power minus 2. 1 minus 135 equal to 0.865. Expected value and variance. All probability distributions are characterized by an expected value and a variance, standard deviation squared. Expected value or mean. If we understand the underlying probability function of a certain phenomenon, then we can make informed decisions based on how we expect x to behave on average over the long run, so-called frequentist theory of the probability. Expected value is just the weighted average or mean mu of random variable x. Imagine placing the masses P of x at the points x on a beam. The balance point of the beam is expected value of x. Discrete case. So this is the formula. E of x is equal to summation xi P of xi. Continuous case. E of x equal to integration for all xi P of xi dx. Expected value. Expected value is an extremely useful concept for good decision making. If c equal to a constant number that is not a variable and x and y are any random variables, E of c equal to c. E of c of x equal to c of capital E of x. Capital E of c plus x equal to c plus capital E of x. E of x plus y equal to capital E of capital X plus capital E of capital Y. Variance. If c equal to a constant number that is not a variable and x and y are random variables, then variance equal to 0. Variance c plus capital X is equal to variance x. Variance cx equal to c variance x. Variance x plus y equal to variance capital X plus variance capital Y only if x and y are independent. Variance or standard deviation. The average expected square distance or deviation from the mean. Sigma square is equal to variance of x equal to capital E of x minus mu square summation for all xi minus mu square P of xi. Discrete case. This is a discrete case. Variance of x is equal to sigma square equal to summation for all xi minus mu square P of xi. This and the continuous case, variance of x equal to sigma square equal to integration minus infinity to infinity xi minus mu square P of xi dx. Thank you.